What's up guys, Emmanuel here checking in. I went ahead and I called some local tire shops and I'm gonna go get some new tires for the new wheels I got, so check it out guys. I'll catch you in a bit. What's up guys, Emmanuel here. It's actually been a few weeks since I had my tires installed. I got my tires at Discount Tires. I had them price match tire rack. I got the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 and they're all season tire with a 45,000 mile tread wear warranty. And I got them for $140 each. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So there you have it guys, that was the tire and wheel setup for my car. As far as tire size, I went with a 255 35 18 and they do poke out a little bit. It is an aggressive fitment. The rims are a 18 by 9.5 with a 38mm offset. And my next mod is probably going to be lowering the car. But yeah guys, I'm still not 100% sure if I want to lower it on lowering springs or coilovers. I still have to do a little bit more research. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later dude.